Hey everybody, welcome back to Onesixtyfourland for a very quick unboxing today. I ordered from Hobby Search. They're out of Japan. Ordered on a Monday. It came on a Friday of the same week, so really happy with the service there. And let's see exactly what we got here today. Now this is the first time I've ordered from them, so there we go. What we ordered off to the side. Good packaging. So here we go. First up is the Hobby Japan Celica XX right-hand drive. Nice black color. It's got gold trim on it. When I first saw that these were being introduced right after Power 64's introduction of the Mark II Supra, I was very excited because, in my opinion, the more the merrier, right? So, here's another one here. This is the custom one. It's in this beige. It's got a front lip spoiler. Headlights are popped up. It's got a different exhaust, I believe. Yeah, it's a dual tip exhaust there. And that is about it. The roof spoiler is the same. So, pretty sharp though. Nice old man tan here. Camel beige. It's a customized version. Official licensed product is important as well. Try not to support the manufacturers that don't bother going for licenses, because that's nobody wins except for them. So here we go, another Celica XX. This one's in white. It's got no spoilers, so it's pretty plain Jane here. Nice little vanilla casting. It's got the black trim. You'll notice that this is the earlier one, so there's no fender flares either. If you can see that there. It's got the split 4-spoke wheels. Just a nice casting. Looking forward to comparing this with the Power 64 as well. This one might be my favorite. It's a two-tone. If you look closely, has a silver top and almost a tan bottom there. What's it say? Fighter toning. I don't know what that means. I'll have to look that up. But nice looking car. It's got the red interior. Looks like they don't all have red seats, but a majority of them do. And just a nice looking casting here. And then lastly, I guess I got 6 of them. Okay. So here is the red version. You can see it's got the custom wheels. Headlights are popped. It's got that front lip spoiler, different exhaust. So Hobby Japan does that. They do a bunch of stock castings, and then they customize it as well with wheels, sometimes seats. And basically, it's just a way for you to buy more castings. And well, it works. So there you go, final one, stock camel beige. And now we can actually real quick look at the difference between the two. So this one doesn't have a spoiler. This one's got the spoiler on it. Headlights are up, headlights are down, and different exhaust, obviously different wheels. Other than that, you can kind of see it through the cellophane there. I'm going to crack all these open, line them up for some pictures, hopefully. I keep saying that with all the recent unboxing. I say, I'm going to open these up and take some pictures. And, well, I haven't gotten around to it just yet, but I will. You'll notice there is a difference between the two. This is a 2000 GT. This is a 2800 GT. Twin cam for the 2000 GT. So as I'm looking at it, it's got a little badging on the fender. Can't really see it there. And there's no badging here. So, all right. So again, this is a Hobby Japan quick unboxing here with their Celica XXs, their Mark II Supras there, the A60 body. Thanks for viewing. Check out my other unboxings there, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.